Okay, so when if we want 8 networks, right? We look at the networks created and how many bits to borrow. So we borrow 3 bits. If we want 16 networks, how many bits do we borrow? That's 4. If we want, I don't know, 64 networks, we borrow 6. 2 to the 6th power is 64, and so on and so forth. Now, the other way to interpret this table is if we have 8 networks, that means that we're borrowing 3 bits. Well, how many bits left over for the hosts or reserved for the host? 8 minus 3 is 5. How many? How many? Shall I say how many hosts per network? That's when we use this line. 2 to the fifth is 32 total hosts, 30 usable hosts. Let's say we borrow 4 bits. How many bits left over for the host? That's 8 minus 4 is 2 to the 4th bits left over for the host. That's 16 total for the host, 14 usable. Now, what would happen if we borrowed 2 networks? How many networks would be created? That's right. 2 to the second power, if we borrow 2, is 4 networks created. But how many hosts are available per network? 8 minus 2 is 6. So that means if we borrow 2 hosts for the network, 2 to the 6th, 6 bits are left over for the host. So that's 64 hosts per network that are available. You have to subtract 2, so it's 64 total, 62 that are usable.